Hey, if you're looking for art tutorials for beginners, simple holiday card ideas, or a calm way to get your last minute Christmas cards made and sent, you're in the right place. Welcome to Serene in the Making, and today I'm creating tree number 3 in this DIY holiday card series. I think this is a playful, abstract holiday tree that's perfect for simple drawing, easy sketching, and relaxed creativity. So let's start at the beginning. Here are the basics: a large triangle for the tree and a rectangle for the trunk. I like starting with simple shapes. I think it keeps everything approachable and helps take the pressure off. Next, I'm drawing easy, fun, freehand swirls inside the triangle. These lines don't follow rules or patterns. They're meant to flow naturally. Next, gently enhance the lines that were made in the previous step. Here's my biggest art tip: keep your pencil strokes light. This is a process, not a one and done moment. If something doesn't feel right, you can simply adjust it, soften it, or change it completely. Mistakes are easy to fix at this stage. This step is all about trusting yourself, slowing down, and letting the drawing evolve naturally. So now I'm happy with the sketch. My next step is to trace everything using a fine tip marker. You can use whatever color you love, but I chose to use black. If you're following along, this part is optional, but I decided to outline my simple shapes first. And for my fourth step, this is where I'm able to trace each line that I created with pencil. Yes, I'm going to zoom in so you can see all the details. As you trace, try not to rush. Let your hand move comfortably instead of aiming for perfect, smooth lines. If your swirls and swoops feel uneven or sketchy, that's actually a good thing. It means your tree has its own signature style, which is what makes handmade holiday art so special. So let's freeze this really quick. Do you notice all of those open spaces? The next step is to fill them all in. I do want to be honest with you. It does take some time, and you might need to take some breaks to stretch your fingers, but trust me, it will be worth it. If you like what you see so far, check out this playlist. After you finish this video, of course. It's full of art tutorials, perfect for the holiday season. Taking breaks during this step doesn't mean you're doing it wrong. It just means you're respecting the process, you're respecting your hands and your eyes. By the end of this step, you'll realize you've created something gift-worthy. Using simple techniques you can absolutely repeat. Now here's where I add a little extra personality. I decided to bring in other colored fine tip markers to add doodles, accents, and small details, because why not? This step is optional, but it's a fun way to experiment with color and balance. These tiny details turn a simple drawing into something eye-catching and creative. And here's the finished tree number 3, built from simple shapes, playful swirls, and a relaxed mindset. This is the kind of project that proves you don't need perfection to create something meaningful. If this video helped you relax, inspired you to make your own holiday card, or gave you the confidence to keep drawing, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how you decorate your tree or who you would gift it to. Thank you for spending this creative time with me. Okay, I'm gonna go and get back to the drawing board.